Hey, if you wonder how you can connect Pendrive into your Realme 12 5G, let me quickly check this. Let me quickly show you. So first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Now you will have to scroll all the way down, select About Device. Now you will have to go into the status, and here you have to not here, sorry, this one, we have to go for the version, and now we have to keep tapping on the version number. And now when we enable the developer options, we have to go back, then go for the additional settings, scroll all the way down, select the developer options, and we have to enable the USB debugging right here with the switcher, and also I can recommend you to enable the OTG connection. Then you have to input your pen drive straight into the USB-C port. There we go. And now just wait. As you can see, now we just got opened our OTG connection, our pen drive. So we have to click here, and now we can find data on our pen drive in the Realme 12 5G. For example, right here I can find some files from the PlayStation 5. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.